What's up, guys? Today, Jordan wanted
Let's go to backpack and then items and then if you see and then pick your best thing some apples.
What's up, What's up, guys? Today, my friend is literally wanted to record for the first time in my history life.
What?
And Slive RNG. My friend said Hasha's played this game before. That's my best.
I like you grind offline ka no. Ito yun, ito grind offline. Grind mimi sana ito account mo.
Oh, that's why I look at ranking slime. And now that do I still have no Rocky?
You got a Rocky now?
Nope.
How do you still not get a Rocky?
Jordan, what's my best banner? What's my best? Big Spike? Stomp?
Yeah,
or Lucky?
mine is Orbit too. And I just bought that 126k.
Okay. How do I feed it? How do I feed it?
Pati siya, kaya Orbit. Elijah, open it about Elijah. Mine doesn't need to be a big one. Mine only needs to be a regular one. And then both. And then your little and yours literally big.
And I'm using Lucky Beast.
Mine's not even big.
Lucky Beast.
Oh shit.
2 times luck.
Upload is luck. 3, 2, 1. Go! No!
I'm staying here.
Uh-oh, Elijah. Elijah, if Nami was here at heaven, she would love this game.
How? Because this God.
What?
We're not talking about One Piece anymore, bro.
I like Elijah. I don't like to play. It's normal.
What?
Upgrade!
Ano ba kang Jordan?
Otra!
Jordan, ano ba ka?
Pati.
What did you say? I didn't see you. Can you say?
Pardon me.
What did you say again? I didn't hear you. What did you say? Because I did not hear. Jordan, what did you say? I didn't hear you.
Okay.
Jordan, what did you say? Tell me. Hey, bro, tell me what did you say? What? I am going to the next. Mana kortam?
4 million. I mean 5 million.
5 million? I only have 50 million.
Elijah, go to 10,000. Oh, it's a big glow. Oh, it's a big buggy. Never mind.
Hey, jump that guy. Jump her. Jump it. Jump that. I don't know. Where is she? Where is she? What? Oh yeah. He or she. Go fight her or she. Go fight her or she. I literally see the random things.
Elijah, kalau po ka tabog ang Elijah, go fight her.
Kamar lalaki at islang ng babae.
Elijah, is Orbit? Elijah, kung saan naglagay ito Orbit ko?
Manot ba ito? Ito ka.
Saan naglagay?
I don't see it.
Orbit, come here. Orbit. Hey, Orbit, come here right now. Instant.
Why does your orbit just look like Luffy last time?
Hey, Orbit, come back here.
Okay, I'm one. What's that one?
Look at Uncle Elijah.
Hey!
He is Uncle. He's Uncle.
I didn't hear him. This is Uncle.
That is Uncle.
Oh my god, I hate it. I hate it. I'm pressing shift. It's not letting me.
Hey, do that.
Mama ya! Hey, bra! Hey, bra! Hey, bra! Precious.
Overseas. Then someone got something. What
Ano
I
na,
got something good too.
ano naala na?
It's a 25k.
Ano naala na?
And I got a shiny buggy. Okay, backpack.
Ano just imo? Tapos kami
That's one of my best.
stadium.
Great.
That's
Loot back. Elijah. I'm sick.